Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is June 22nd, 2017. It is currently 11:48 p.m. Chicago time. What you're seeing before you here is the chart of the weekly S&P market. You see it right there marked with a W. It's the S&P. And what I want to draw your attention to is this weekly bar you see right here. This represents week ending June 23rd, which happens to be tomorrow's date because tomorrow is Friday. So this price bar here is currently made up of Monday to Thursday. So it has one more day to completely form before we move on to the next weekly price bar. But what I want to draw your attention to is where the high happens to be for this week so far in the S&P market. Note also this red triangle you see right here represents the weekly F date of 616 plus. It has the greater than sign right here, which refers to a high probability weekly turn occurring either on time, which is where the diamond is, or the greater than sign here says, or one bar late, which happens to be this week. So we're well within that forecast time right there. Another thing I want to point out is also that it is in a weekly overbought zone. And so the probability is very high that now that it is in this zone, and it is also at time and price square resistance, as you can see that it is hitting this descending line here within this current 90-degree square. All these things together is a high indication that we'll be looking at a weekly swing top for this week off of this current resistance high that we see right here. So we should see this thing go down to make a lower weekly low starting next week so that this can confirm as a weekly swing top. Also want to bring your attention down here to the MACD. Notice that the very top of the MACD where we had a cross down from above the zero line to below the zero line, which is right here, corresponds to this time period right here. Then prices continue to move higher, yet notice that on the MACD that the signal lines here are not higher than here. They're lower here than they are here, whereas price is higher here than it is here. This is called a bearish divergence, which means that this puppy is likely running out of steam. So that's a flag saying that we could be looking at a pullback here in the S&P 500, and that is what I'm expecting to happen based on all these indications that I have just presented right now. Okay, well that's it for this week's video on the S&P 500. I appreciate you watching. Please visit my website, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.